In the vast, icy expanse of the Earth's southernmost regions, lives a creature known for an extraordinary devotion. Penguins, facing some of the planet's most formidable challenges, exhibit a remarkable fidelity to their partners. Each year, after months spent navigating the frigid oceans alone, they embark on a journey back to their breeding grounds, driven by an imperative that defies the logic of long-distance relationships. They are not merely returning to a colony, they are returning to a specific individual, a mate they haven't seen for seasons. This unwavering commitment is not born of sentimentality, but from a profound system of strategies for continuation. The annual cycle for many penguin species is one of immense physical demand. Following the breeding season, adults disperse, venturing into the open ocean to forage and regain crucial body mass. This period can last for several months, with individuals covering thousands of miles, their paths rarely intersecting. Yet, when the time comes to return to their breeding colonies, an invisible thread seems to guide them back to the same precise nesting sites, and to the same partner they left behind. This astonishing navigational ability and commitment to a known location sets the stage for their enduring bonds. Imagine the challenge, returning to a bustling colony of tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of birds, and locating a single individual. For many species, this separation can stretch significantly. Emperor penguins, for instance, undertake incredible treks, with females spending the entire winter months at sea while males incubate the single egg. Other species may be apart for shorter, but still substantial, periods. The energy invested in finding a familiar face among a sea of identical-looking birds is immense, but it is an investment that pays significant dividends. In the unforgiving Antarctic and subantarctic environments, successful reproduction is not merely a matter of convenience, it is a critical struggle for existence. The window for breeding is often narrow, dictated by harsh weather, melting ice, and the availability of food. Any delay or inefficiency in finding a mate, establishing a nest, or laying eggs can mean the difference between raising offspring and a failed season. This intense pressure puts a premium on rapid, effective breeding strategies. Partner loyalty, it turns out, is a highly efficient way to navigate these high-stakes conditions. Seeking a new mate each year would involve considerable time and energy, resources that penguins simply cannot afford to waste. Courtship rituals are intricate and demanding, from elaborate displays and vocalizations to territorial disputes and nest building. Each step is a drain on vital energy stores, energy that could otherwise be used for egg production, incubation, or foraging for food. By returning to a known partner, penguins bypass this lengthy and energy-intensive process, saving precious time and bolstering their physical reserves for the real task, raising chicks. A partnership that has already proven successful in raising chicks offers a distinct advantage. Both partners have a shared history of effective collaboration. They know each other's rhythms, their strengths, and how to coordinate their duties, whether it's incubating eggs, foraging for food, or defending the nest. This established understanding reduces friction and increases efficiency, crucial factors when every day counts. A new pair, however, must spend valuable time learning to synchronize their efforts, a learning curve that can be costly in a race against time and elements. How do they find each other amidst the cacophony of a bustling colony? The answer lies in their unique vocalizations. Each penguin possesses a distinctive call, a vocal signature as individual as a human fingerprint. Upon returning to the colony, a penguin will stand and broadcast its specific call, listening intently for the answering sound of its mate. This auditory recognition is incredibly precise, allowing partners to locate one another even in dense crowds, cutting through the noise with an almost unerring accuracy. It's a testament to the power of a finely tuned communication system. Once reunited, a series of rituals reinforces their bond. Head bobbing, mutual preening, and trumpeting calls solidify the connection and reaffirm their partnership. These displays are not merely symbolic, they are a vital component of successful breeding. This reaffirmation is particularly important given their extended separation. A strong, recognized pair bond translates directly into more efficient incubation and feeding schedules, directly impacting chick survival rates. The initial reunion is a crucial, high-stakes moment that sets the tone for the entire breeding season. Beyond finding their mate, penguins also exhibit strong site fidelity, a tendency to return to the exact same nesting spot year after year. A familiar nesting site offers proven advantages: known access to water, protection from prevailing winds, and a successful history of chick rearing. By returning to a territory where they have previously succeeded, pairs capitalize on their established knowledge of the local landscape and resources. This reduces the time and effort required to scout for a new, potentially less optimal location, further streamlining the demanding breeding process. Penguins are biparental, meaning both male and female share the responsibilities of incubation and chick rearing. This division of labor is absolutely critical. One parent can forage for food while the other guards the nest or chicks. This cooperative approach significantly increases the chances of survival for their young. A stable, loyal partnership ensures that both parents are present and committed to these demanding tasks. Abandonment by one partner, or the need to find a new one mid-season, can be devastating for the brood. Experienced parents are generally more successful parents. A pair that has already raised chicks together has refined their techniques for everything from nest construction to chick feeding. They understand the warning signs of danger, how to conserve energy during incubation, and the best foraging routes. This accumulated knowledge is invaluable. Committing to a loyal partner means that this experience is continually built upon, rather than having to start fresh with an inexperienced or unknown individual each year, which would introduce significant risks. Beyond vocalizations, penguins utilize a suite of recognition cues. Visual markers, subtle behavioral quirks, and even olfactory signals may play a role in distinguishing their mate from thousands of others. While the exact mechanisms are still subjects of ongoing study, it's clear that their brains are wired to create a specific blueprint for their partner. This intricate recognition system is essential for maintaining the pair bond across long periods of separation and for ensuring that the hard-won advantages of loyalty are not undermined by mistaken identity in a crowded environment. On a broader scale, stable pair bonds contribute to the overall stability and organization of the breeding colony. When pairs consistently occupy the same territories and operate with established routines, it reduces aggression and territorial disputes. New pairings can lead to more conflicts as individuals vie for prime nesting sites or establish dominance. This social cohesion allows the colony to function more efficiently as a whole, a critical factor for the success of so many individuals concentrated in one demanding area. While partner loyalty is highly advantageous, it's not without its risks. If a mate fails to return, perhaps succumbing to a predator or the harsh conditions of the sea, the remaining penguin faces a difficult choice. They must then attempt to find a new mate, often late in the season, which drastically reduces their chances of successful breeding. However, the consistent success rates of loyal pairs demonstrate that the benefits of this strategy far outweigh the potential drawbacks, making it a powerful drive in their annual cycle. Ultimately, the effectiveness of partner loyalty is measured in the production and survival of offspring. Studies consistently show that pairs who remain together over multiple seasons have significantly higher breeding success rates. They lay eggs earlier, hatch more chicks, and fledge a greater number of healthy young than those who form new pairs each year. This tangible outcome underscores the purely practical, yet deeply ingrained, reasons behind their unwavering commitment. Loyalty in the penguin world is a strategy for life's continuation. The annual return and reunion of penguin partners is a testament to the powerful, practical drive for the continuation of their kind. It is a system perfected through generations, built on efficiency, recognition, and shared experience. They are not choosing loyalty out of sentiment, but because it is the most effective means to navigate a world that demands absolute precision and cooperation. Each season, the icy winds, the vast oceans, and the sheer distance between them challenge this bond, yet it endures. The dual commitment of both parents provides numerous advantages. Incubation shifts ensure eggs are continuously protected from extreme cold or heat. When chicks hatch, the ability for one parent to forage while the other stands guard against predators significantly boosts survival rates. Furthermore, two foraging adults can bring back more food, crucial for the rapid growth of demanding chicks. This division of labor, facilitated by a strong pair bond, is a cornerstone of penguin parental care, ensuring the next generation thrives against immense odds. The loyalty of penguins is therefore not a romantic ideal, but a highly refined instinct for success. It is a behavioral blueprint that has been proven effective over countless breeding seasons. Every aspect, from their unique calls to their site fidelity and shared parental duties, is geared towards maximizing the chances of raising healthy offspring in an environment that allows no room for error. Their enduring partnerships are a masterclass in practicality, a living example of how precise behaviors lead to profound and lasting outcomes. From the moment they return to the ice, through the arduous process of nesting and rearing young, to their eventual departure back to the sea, the loyalty between penguin partners defines their breeding cycle. It is a bond forged in necessity, reinforced by action, and proven by outcome. These incredible birds remind us that in the wild, the most profound connections are often the ones that lead to the most effective strategies for overcoming challenges and ensuring that life, in its many forms, continues to flourish against all odds. Their commitment truly is an unbreakable bond. Each year, the cycle repeats. The penguins scatter to the vast oceans, undertaking their solitary journeys, only to feel the pull to return. And when they do, the same intricate mechanisms of vocal recognition, site fidelity, and mutual commitment guide them back to the familiar embrace of their loyal partner. This isn't just a story of birds, it's a profound demonstration of how specific behaviors, honed by the demands of a challenging world, create bonds that endure across distance and time, ensuring the continuity of their species in the frozen heart of the planet.